just doing a watch me work as I do my gillette nails at home. So guys, I would like to wish you a happy new year, as I haven't as yet, and we'll just jump right into the video. What I'm doing is prepping my nails. I'm cleaning around the cuticle area, making sure that area is clean and I have no cuticle on my nail plate. And I'm going to do that for all my nails. I've already done my non-dominant hand, so that's why you're seeing it's finished. What I'm adding there is the IBD gel bonder. It helps gel products to adhere better to the natural nail, so I'm just adding that to the nail right now. I'm now going to be putting the base coat on. So I apply a thin layer of the base coat onto all of my nails. I'm trying to work with the angle, guys, so you guys could see better what I'm doing. I hope that this is better and the quality is better on my videos. I'm really trying to improve my video quality for you guys. Now I'm just curing in my mini light, and now I'm going to place on the gel mix I made. I made like a cover nude gel mix with two colors from Bougie Glam Beauty, sorry. It's a Trinidad gel nail provider, and I'm just going a little out of shot there because I have a spotlight that I bought from Pennywise Cosmetics in order to flash cure the nails so that it would be easier. You can't see it in the reflection there, it's on, and that's what I'm drying the nails with. So I'm just adhering my gel tips. I'm going for a short square as I do like the minimalistic look. My favorite colors are black, red and white, so I'm gonna try not to kill you all with that for this year, but basically that's the colors that I use when I do my nails. So I'm just adhering all the nails onto the onto my natural nails, so you guys will be seeing that. So I'll just let you guys look at that and I'll come back. So here am I just fully curing the gel nails, because if you do not cure your gels properly, you can get contact dermatitis, and that is something that cannot be cured. You will have that for the rest of your life if it is you do not cure your gels properly. And I am here just cutting the nails down to size and the length that I would like it to be, and I am now just shaping the nails the way I would like it to be. So with using the cover pink that I made with the gel polishes, I am now able to not have to paint a cover color on my nails basically. So it type hides where my nail meets the extension, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just basically shaping the nails here. I would wash my hands in between each process of shaping. Now I'm changing the bit on my nail file, my electric nail file, and I am going around the cuticle area and I am blending that into my cuticle area so that the nails would be much more seamless and they would look natural, as you can see on my thumb of the other hand that I'm using. Right, so I'm just going around with this bit here. I got this in a set and it's from Beauty, B-E-A-U-T-E, Pennywise Cosmetics, as well as the nail file I got at Pennywise Cosmetics, and it's the same brand. And I'm going around the cuticle area and just blending that into, if there's any excess gel that has seeped out over the cuticle area, I'm getting rid of that so that I will have no lifting. I usually don't have lifting, so I'll just let you all watch that and I'll come back when I'm finished doing that, guys. So here am I just changing back to the sanding band, and I'm just going to go around the cuticle area again, and I'm just smoothing out all the work that I have just done with the previous cuticle bit. I'm just raising the speed on the bit, and I am going to take the shine from on the whole nail in preparation for painting the nail in the other clip that you'll see soon. I'm just here continuing to do the cuticle preparation, cuticle care for the painting that I'm going to do. So I've washed my hands and I've come back, and I'm going to use this red color from Beetles, and I'm just placing that on the stand for my file so that I can use the color in order to paint the French tip on my nails. So you're going to see me here just painting on the French tip. So I'll let you guys look at that, and I'll come back when I'm finished. I'm also using the spot dryer, I guess. I don't know how we would call it. You understand? I'm using that to flash cure it so that I'd be able to go on before I fully cure everything. And I'm using that on the side, and you may or may not see that. The light you're seeing there is what I'm using to flash cure the nails. I'm just continuing to paint French tips on all the nails. So I'll let you guys look at that. I'm not very good at this, but I do take my time, and I clean up with another brush that I have, and I perfect it like that. Fun fact, this video was 36 minutes long, and I cut it down and I put it in double speed so that you guys won't have to sit down and watch this process for 36 minutes. But I just thought I would just throw that into the video so you guys could know how long this process usually takes. So this is the brush that I use here to clean up any mistakes that I do make, and I'm using the brush with pure alcohol. I'm trying to stay in focus, guys. As I said, I'm not accustomed filming nail videos, but again, this year I intend to improve my game, my quality, and the frequency in which I am uploading. So this is me just finishing up the last nail here, and I am going to apply I'm going to apply a second coat onto the nails because the opacity of the red wasn't as vibrant as I would want it to be with the first coat. So I am going to put a second coat on the nails and cure those as well. Sorry, I went out of frame here. I was just cleaning up the nails. Now I'm going to cure the tips and dry the gel basically. So now I'm finished doing that. I gave it a second coat and I'm using my top coat now. As I used the Cover Nude Pink as the base to adhere the nails, I no longer have to paint a base onto the nails. It's already under the nails basically is what I'm trying to explain. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just pasting a top coat on the nails now, on all the nails, and then I'm going to cure that up, and that's the end of the video, I guess, guys. I think I'm going to apply cuticle oil on camera for you guys to see. Not exactly sure, don't hold me to that, but we will see as the video progresses. I'm just cleaning the excess of the top coat here. And I see I'm going to dry the top coat now. I do this twice in order to make sure that the gel top coat is cured and cured well. It usually runs for 60 seconds, so I do it for 2 minutes basically. So I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol here and taking off the tacky layer, and now when I'm applying some cuticle oils to my cuticles because they've been through some things, just to moisturize it. And my nails are finished. So here you're seeing my non-dominant hand, which is my dominant hand, which is my right hand, and I use my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, in order to do my right hand. So I did that first because that's a struggle, boss. I really don't think I could film me struggling to do my right hand with my left, but I got it done. So guys, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.